Namaste and welcome to our channel. My name is Shaini Narang and I'm your yoga guide. Today we are doing yoga for elders. So this video is for your parents, grandparents, uncles, aunties. Because they have reached a certain age, their body is now degenerating. They must be experiencing muscle loss. They must be experiencing a lot of joint pain, a lot of different kinds of pains and aches. And we want to ensure that they stay healthy and happy. So we have put together a sequence that they can practice easily. तो आज की वीडियो में हम वो बेसिक मूवमेंट्स करेंगे जो आपके एल्डर्स को, आपके पेरेंट्स को ज़रूर करने चाहिए ऑन डेली बेसिस. बिकॉज द बॉडी इफ़ नॉट यूज्ड, इफ़ नॉट यूटिलाइज्ड फुली, starts to rot. So let's begin this session. It's a friendly session. And I would do it in the chair because I know there are a lot of mobility issues elders face. हो सकता है कि आपके दादा दादी, नाना नानी या पेरेंट्स ज़मीन पे ना बैठ पाएँ, तो उनके लिए ये चेयर पे करना भी आसान होगा. They can simply sit on the chair and do the whole practice together. So let's begin the session. First, let me demonstrate how we will be using this chair. Don't rest your back on the chair. Keep your body in center and sit upright. पीछे की तरफ नहीं झुकना है, बीच में बैठेंगे और कमर को सीधा रखेंगे. अपने हाथों को आप नीज पे भी रख सकते हैं. Keep your feet parallel and relax the breath. First we will do the process of centering, so close your eyes and observe your breath. Just connect with your breath. अपनी सांस के साथ जुड़ें. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath. एक और गहरा लंबा सांस. And slowly exhale. धीरे से सांस को बाहर छोड़ दें. And relax. So this was just to align the body and the mind with the breath. Now we'll practice some joint rotation, simple movements. I'll face forward so you can see me. First we'll start with some neck movements. So keep your hands rested on the knees. सिर्फ गर्दन को दाएं और बाएं घुमाएंगे and you can see to the right and left. Let's go with me together now. To the right, left, right, left, right, left, right and left. Now we'll take the head up and down. ऊपर और नीचे देखेंगे. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Come back to center. And come back to center. Now we'll do some more movements which are called isometric movements to strengthen the neck and the shoulder area. बहुत सारे elders complain करते हैं कि उनकी गर्दन में cervical region में बहुत pain होता है, तो उसके लिए ये बहुत useful simple movements हैं. कैसे करना है? We'll place the right palm on the right side of your head, close to the temple, right temple, just above the ear, and push the palm into the head and push the head into the palm. So we are trying to move the head, but because we are putting an equal and opposite pressure from the head, there is no movement. तो जैसे एक दूसरे की तरफ किसी चीज़ का अगर दबाव हो, तो जितना दाईं तरफ हो, जितना बाईं तरफ से प्रेशर अगर एक जितना आए, तो मूवमेंट नहीं होगा. तो उसी तरीके से हम इसे होल्ड करेंगे, pressing the head, pushing the head into the palm and palm into the head. We'll hold for 3 breaths. Keep the spine straight. Now do it with me. Right palm on the right side and start to push. Hold. Breathe. जोर लगाएं थोड़ा. Push little more and release. Same thing on the left side. Push into the left hand, breathe. थोड़ा और जोर लगाएं. And release. Now interlock the fingers, place it behind the head. Now you're pushing the head back, and because we don't want the head to move, we are pushing and resisting it with the fingers. तो हम हाथों से सिर को आगे की ओर धकेलेंगे, बट सिर की क्षमता से, सिर की स्ट्रेंथ से पीछे की ओर हाथों को धकेलेंगे. There is no net movement. कुछ मूवमेंट नहीं है, बट जोर लगाना है. Let's go. With me now, interlock your fingers, take them behind the head. Push the head back, सिर को पीछे की ओर धकेले, and try to resist that with the hands. Your elbows will come forward and closer, which is okay. Keep pushing. Breathe. थोड़ा और जोर लगाएं, सिर को पीछे की ओर धकेलें. पीछे लेके नहीं जाना है, हाथों से उसको रेजिस्ट करना है, हाथों से आगे को धकेलना है. Stay and release. Same thing from the front. Now we place the hands on the forehead. माथे पे रखेंगे हाथों को. Push the head forward, but don't move the head because you're resisting with the hands. सिर को आगे की ओर धकेले और हाथों से सिर को पीछे की ओर. Stay here and breathe. Push little more. Push, push. And release. Relax. So आपको कंधों का जोर, हाथों का जोर लगाना पड़ेगा. You will need the strength of the shoulders, the arms to be able to do this. That's where you are also building strength, which is amazing. Your elders need this. And all the people who are doing this need this for sure. Now we'll do some mobility for the shoulders. So place your fingertips on the shoulders. Bring the elbows closer. Inhale, raise the elbows. Push them back and then push them down. Big circle. Let's do it together. 5 clockwise and 5 anti-clockwise. Inhale up. Exhale down. 1, 2. Bring the elbows together, lift. 3, push the elbows back and then down. 4. One more time, 5. Now reverse, opposite direction में जाएंगे. Raise the elbows back, lift them up. Join them in the front, keep them joined for as long as you can before you push it down. Okay? Inhale up. Exhale down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and relax. Now open your arms like this. Make a 90-degree angle with your arms. इस तरीके से हाथों को खोलेंगे 90-degree angle पे. Push your arms back, lift the chest up. And then drop the head, bring the palms together, bring the elbows also together, and push your spine back. So we will inhale, open, and exhale, round the spine. This is very important for shoulder and spine mobility. बहुत ज़रूरी है ये करना. मैं आपको थोड़ा साइड से भी दिखा देती हूँ ताकि आपको पता लगे कि आई एम नॉट टचिंग माई स्पाइन टू द चेयर. आई एम सिटिंग इन द सेंटर. With me, let's do it 5 times. Inhale, open. Exhale. Round the spine, join the palms and elbows. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale. Down. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale, lift the chest, arch your back, hands back. Exhale, drop the head, join your palms. Last time, inhale and exhale and relax. So this was for your upper back, shoulders, spine, सबको थोड़ा ओपन करने के लिए, रिलैक्स करने के लिए, ताकि सारी दर्दें बाय बाय बोले. ठीक है. नाउ वी विल प्रैक्टिस लिटिल बिट फॉर द एल्बोज एंड रिस्ट. सो प्लेस योर फिंगर टिप्स ऑन द शोल्डर्स. सिंपली एक्सटेंड योर आर्म्स एंड बेंड. दिस इज फॉर द एल्बोज. 5 बार करेंगे. लेट्स गो. एक्सटेंड, बेंड, extend, bend, extend, bend, extend, bend, and extend and bend. Relax. Now we'll do wrist rotations. So make a fist with your hands and we will rotate the wrist, the fist, 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise. With me, let's do it. इकट्ठे करें. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. बहुत सारे एल्डर्स कंप्लेन करते हैं कि कलाइयों में बहुत दर्द होता है. उनके लिए ये करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो मेक श्योर यू डू इट. नाउ वी विल open the palms, fingers open, and then close the fist. Like this, we will move the hands. This is also for people who feel that they are suffering from arthritis and joint pain उनको बढ़ जाता है. Therefore, this will be very beneficial. So extend your arms again. हाथों को सीधा, बाजुओं को सीधा रखेंगे. हाथों को ऐसे खोल के ओपन करके रखेंगे. Flex. And now we will close and open the fingers. Let's go. 1, close. Make a fist. मुट्ठी बनाएं और उंगलियों को खोल दें. बस. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. Close. Open. एक बार और. Close. And open. Release. So this was for this. Wrist, fingers, elbows, shoulders, spine. We'll do few more movements for the spine. एक दो और movements करेंगे हम spine के लिए. Again, interlock your fingers. Raise your arms over the head. Stretch your body upwards. Imagine आपका शरीर ऊपर की ओर जा रहा है. So you lengthen the spine. Lift up. Breathe. सांस भरे, सांस छोड़े. And slowly bend to the right side. Very nice. Come to center. To the left side. And center. Again to the right, stretch. And center. To the left. And center. and release the hands now. Relax. The next movement that we will do is for the lower body. Now, because a lot of elders also have pain in the knees, in the ankles, तो हम कुछ movement करेंगे lower body के लिए. The first one is we'll bend the right foot and place it on the left thigh. This will also help you release the hip tightness. So I request the camera to open the frame a little more so people can see my feet. So here we are. We'll inhale, raise the arms, and exhale, we'll fold forward to relax the hip joint. Just breathe in and breathe out. जिन लोगों को sciatica का इशू है वो ये स्ट्रेच रोज करें, आपको बहुत आराम मिलेगा. If you are suffering from sciatica, this one stretch will give you a lot of relief. So just surrender here. Inhale and exhale. And rise up. Inhale, raise your arms. And release. Now place the left foot on the right thigh. Change the leg. Inhale, raise your arms. And exhale, release. Feel the stretch in the outer thigh. And hip joint, relax the breath. सांस भरे और छोड़े. And inhale, rise up, सांस भरते हुए ऊपर. Exhale, release. Now we'll work for the knees. नीज में बहुत पेन रहता है लोगों के, स्पेशली एल्डर्स के. तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, वील हग द राइट नी. हम राइट नी को अपने चेस्ट के पास लेके आएंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि हम राइट लेग को सीधा करें. वी विल एक्सटेंड द राइट लेग एंड देन बेंड द राइट लेग. स्क्वीज योर हैंड. कैसे पकड़ना है एक बार देख लेंगे. हाथ को घुटने के नीचे रखेंगे इस तरह, बिल्कुल दोनों हाथों को. पीछे नहीं जाना है. स्टे इन द सेंटर एंड कीप योर हैंड्स राइट अंडर द नी. हग योर राइट नी. वी सिंपली एक्सटेंड द लेग. जितना हो सके टांग को सीधा कीजिए और फिर बेंड करके स्क्वीज कीजिए. तो अपने हाथों को पिचकाना है अपने घुटने के जोर से, अपने घुटने की शक्ति से. सो लेट्स डू दिस टुगेदर. सो इनहेल, एक्सटेंड द लेग. Exhale, squeeze your hand with the strength of your knee. Very nice. Again, inhale. जितना हो सके लेग को स्ट्रेट करें. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, extend. Exhale, squeeze. Squeeze your hand under your knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. And exhale. Change the leg. Now we will hold the left knee from underneath and sit in the center of the chair. Don't lean back and extend the leg as much as possible. And squeeze your hand. Inhale, extend. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze. One last time. Inhale, extend. Exhale, squeeze. And release. So this was for the knees. Very, very effective. Now we'll come to ankles and feet. पैरों में तो बहुत दर्द रहता है. There are a lot of elders who will complain, my feet are hurting, my feet are swollen. That's because we don't take enough care for the feet. So we will be moving our feet. For this one, rest your back on the chair and extend your legs up. This is also going to help you strengthen your knees. And now we will make big rotations with the ankles like this. Okay? So 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. अगर आपके पैर बहुत ऊपर नहीं उठ पा रहे, अगर नीचे भी हैं, even if your feet are down, you can still do this. Okay? But make sure you make a big circle with the ankles. Let's do this together now. Extend your legs, keep them off the ground, and let's do the rotation of the ankles. Going for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax, release. ये आप घर पे बैठे बैठे टीवी देखते देखते भी कर सकते हैं. Even when you're watching a TV or Netflix or whatever, you can still do this. It's very simple. We simply extend the legs and make big circles with the ankles. Do the rotation. Very, very important. Okay? Elders, make a note of it. The next thing we are learning, the last part, is for your calf muscles. Do you know your calf is like second heart? It's so important to activate your calf muscles because your heart health is linked to this part of your body. And it also regulates your insulin production. So people who have diabetes, you must do this exercise that I'm going to show you now. जिनको diabetes है वो तो ये ज़रूर करें. It's a very simple movement. We keep the feet parallel. We'll simply raise the heels up and then push the heels down into the ground. So camera, you can zoom in here so that they see this once. अब मेरे साथ कीजिए, पैरों को पैरेलल रखते हुए raise your heels up, एड़ियों को ऊपर उठाएंगे और नीचे की ओर धकेलेंगे. Don't lean back on the chair, sit in the center so you can do it with ease. Let's go. Inhale, raise the feet up and push the heels down. Up and down. Very nice. Continue. Up. Feel the contraction in the calf muscles and down. Up and down. Up, down. Lift the heels up and down. 2 more times. Up, down, up, and down. Relax. So, this was our small little video which you can practice every single day. It has movements for the whole body, all the joints, and gradually after 2-3 weeks you will realize that your joints are becoming stronger. आपकी जो joint pain है वो ख़त्म हो जाएगी. You will feel very, very happy and relaxed while doing your daily activities. So I hope you found this useful. I hope this video actually was something that you would also share with your friends, family, and other people. Also to your uncles, aunties, dada, dadi, nana, nani, chacha, chachi, fua, everybody. So just make sure you let people know that this is available for their use. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this one and practicing along. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing yoga and namaste.